Questions to Lizards vs. the Wind. Question number 6. What can be reasonably inferred from the passage? A. The Harvard researchers who studied lizards on the Turks and Caicos Islands disagree about why some of the reptiles survived 2 hurricanes while others did not. B. Colin Donahue and his colleagues are thankful that they happened to be studying lizards in the Turks and Caicos Islands just before 2 hurricanes hit. C. Places in the Caribbean, such as the Turks and Caicos Islands, are frequently hit with storms much stronger than Hurricane Maria and Hurricane Irma. D. Tracy Lane-Kildee is questioning the results of the Harvard study of lizards that live on the Turks and Caicos Islands in the Caribbean. Number 7. Which piece of textual evidence best supports the claim that it was important that the researchers had visited the Turks and Caicos Islands just before the hurricanes hit? A. Then just 2 weeks later, Hurricane Maria arrived. These storms brought winds of up to 175 miles, or 282 kilometers per hour to the Caribbean. Paragraph 2. B. Under tropical storm force winds, the lizards simply lounged. As the wind speed intensified, they still held on, although it did get harder for them to do so. Paragraph 10. C. Outside experts praised the Harvard study, which was published in the journal Nature in July 2018. They marveled especially at the researchers' luck of being in the right place at the right time. Paragraph 7. D. The reptiles tested in the study will likely do well in the next big storm. These lizards are very impressive for their clinging in the high winds, Donahue said. Paragraph 14. Number 8. Which of these is most important to include in an objective summary of this passage? A. Researchers, such as evolutionary biologist Colin Donahue, sometimes utilize high-speed cameras when conducting studies. B. Researchers have discovered how it was possible for some tropical lizards to cling to trees during hurricane-force winds. C. Hurricanes Irma and Maria both wreaked havoc on the Turks and Caicos Islands within 2 weeks of each other in 2017. D. Hurricanes Irma and Maria brought winds as high as 175 miles, or 282 kilometers, per hour to the Turks and Caicos Islands. 9. What would be an alternate title for this passage? A. Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Maria. B. Harvard study. C. No lizards were harmed. D. Lizards just keep hanging on. 10. What is the meaning of the word ferocious as used in paragraph 1? A. Intense. B. Rainy. C. Pleasant. D. Mild.